Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are from Group 1. Today we are going to show you how to use chopstick. The first, put one in between your middle finger and thumb finger.
Louder, please.
Remove your middle finger and then press your ring finger. Of the other side on the chopstick to grip it.
Okay. And then?
Use your thumb finger to grip it. It's nice and tight.
Use your thumb finger to hold it tight and your index finger, and you should be able to do the gripping action just like that, as you can see the first chopstick.
Okay.
Never move it, stay still in the position.
Okay.
Thank you for attention. Good morning.
Good morning.